Private Michelle Ham Malyali, Loyola Avanzado, Philippine Army Reserve. And Private Brett Valdez, Philippine Army Reserve.
The following individuals are incorporated into the Reserve Force, Armed Forces of the Philippines with the rank of Private Rachel Anne Avanzado, with the reserve serial number LAS T 22-00076.